Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today the topic of lecture is mycoplasma. I am Dr. Muna Malik from Pathology Department. More than 200 species of mycoplasma and uroplasma have been documented. 5 species are associated with human disease and they are pathogen. Mycoplasma pneumoniae is the most common pathogen among humans. Mycoplasma and uroplasma organisms are the smallest free-living bacteria. They do not have a cell wall, sterol. They form pleomorphic filaments and their size ranges from 0.1 to 0.3 micrometer. They reproduce by binary fission, grow on artificial cell-free media. They have both RNA and DNA. Mycoplasma are facultative anaerobe except Mycoplasma pneumoniae, which is strict aerobe. All these questions can be asked in MCQs. On culture, they appeared as a fried egg appearance colonies. Major antigenic determinants are membrane glycolipids and glycoproteins. Mycoplasma pneumoniae is an extracellular pathogen which adhere to respiratory epithelium. This picture shows the fried egg appearance of the colonies of mycoplasma. Mycoplasma is a worldwide disease with no seasonal incidence. Children between age 5 to 15 years are affected with it. It is transmitted by inhalation and it is strict human pathogen. Epidemic disease occur every 4 to 8 years. Nasal secretion spread Mycoplasma pneumoniae infection. Partially immune from previous exposure. 15% of sexually active men and women colonized with Mycoplasma hominis. 45 to 75% colonized with uroplasma. It causes mild upper respiratory tract disease, low-grade fever, malaise, headache, and a dry productive cough are the signs and symptoms. Symptoms gradually worsen over the next few days and can persist for 2 weeks or longer. More severe disease with lower respiratory, less than 10% of the patients is documented. It causes primary atypical pneumonia with a patchy bronchopneumonia. Myalgia and gastrointestinal symptoms are uncommon. It also causes otitis media, erythema multiforme, hemolytic anemia, myocarditis, pericarditis, and neurological abnormalities. Mycoplasma genitalium and uroleticum can cause non-gonococcal urethritis. Mycoplasma hominis implicated as a cause of pyelonephritis, pelvic inflammatory disease, postpartum fever. The bacteria are recovered from the specimens collected from the infected patients. Serological tests are available for its diagnosis. Clinical improvement after treatment with specific antibiotics can be done. Demonstration of the disease in animal models in researches. We can diagnose it in lab, but microscopy is not useful. Cultures, they are slow growing bacteria, so they can be isolated from the cultures. It can be diagnosed from the molecular diagnosis on the basis of their RNA and DNA, and serological tests are used such as complement fixation, enzyme immunoassay, and cold agglutinins. Erythromycin, tetracycline, or doxycycline are fluoroquinolones. Erythromycin is used to treat uroplasma infection because these organisms are resistant to tetracycline. Mycoplasma hominis is resistant to erythromycin and occasionally to tetracycline. So clindamycin is used to treat these resistant strain and it is the drug of choice, which can be asked in the MCQ.